Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivinganga, and if this is your first time on my channel, then welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve a purple smoky eye. Now, like I've always said, I'm not a professional or anything, but yeah, we're just trying to be better at this, and the most important thing is to try. So if you would like to see that, then keep on watching this video. As you can see, I've already started on my face. This is just to be able to save a little bit more on time. So yeah, let's see what we come up with. So today I'm going to be using these two palettes, this BH Cosmetics Blush Neutrals, and this, okay, it's a bit rough on the top, but this is the Burgundy Bar by Maybelline. So these two are what I'm going to be using. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyelids, and I'm going to be using this NYX eyeshadow primer. I have my mirror down here, so if you see me looking down, I'm just using my mirror. I'm now going to blend it out. So once that is done, I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's I would say it's like a black shadow. It's a black color, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from my inner crease. I'm just going to make sure that I pack it on here like I'm doing. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color right here. It's like an orange color from this palette. The downside of this palette is that it's a nice palette, but it's not very pigmented and it doesn't have names. So I can't even tell you guys what color this is, but it's just like an orange, a dark orange color. And what I want to do is I'm just going to use it to blend out this top part of the black eyeshadow. Just as I'm doing. Yeah, so as you can see guys, I've blended, and this is where we are at. Next thing I'm going to do, so I'm just going to take my other palette, that's this Burgundy Bar Maybelline palette, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color right here. It's like a dark purple and it has the shimmer, which is really amazing. So I'm going to use a flat brush to pack on the purple color on top of what I've already done, just so that we can have our purple smoky eye. This is the color that I'm using, as I had said, and I'm just going to be taking a lot because I'm going to be packing on a lot of color. So this is how we're going to do it. So I'm really satisfied with what I have, so I'm not going to pack on more product at this point. Now what I'm going to do is I want to make the lower lash just as smoky. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my black eyeliner, and I'm just going to draw the waterline, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that it's a bit messy, a bit more messy than I would normally make it. So I'm done doing that. As you can see, I've done the eyeliner, but I've made sure it's a bit more messy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the flat brush that I was using, and I'm going to try and remove the excess glitter. Then I'm just going to use it to smoke it out. So now I'm really happy with the way the eyes are looking, really happy, because I had tried this look and it backfired, and I'm kind of glad it did because this is so much better. I'm now going to go into the inner corner of the eye. I'm going to go back to my blush, what is it called, sorry, it's the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to use this color right here, this shimmer color, as an inner corner highlight. Now that that is done, I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to do eyeliner. I don't have lashes, so I'm just going to do mascara, then I'm going to be back. So I'm done with all of that. I'm done with my mascara, I'm done with my eyeliner. My eyeliner is looking a bit wanting. Actually, this is the first time I think I've tried a winged liner in like years, so don't even judge me. But anyway, so I just want to now go in with my concealer. This is Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm just going to use this to highlight and to try and clean out this area in case there's been any fallout. Now that that's blended, I'm going to go in with my loose powder. This is the black Opal loose powder, and then I'm going to press it like I'm doing. And now, just to add a bit more color to my face, I'm going to take this burgundy bar from Maybelline that I was using, and I'm going to take this dark brown color and use it to contour my face. I'm going to use it as a powder contour. Then I'm going to go in with this other palette, and this is really affordable, guys. You use your palette to, you know, as an eyeshadow, as a blush, as a bronzer, as a contour. Very affordable if you can't afford to buy all those things at once. So I'm going to go in with this palette again, and I'm going to use this shade right here as a blusher to add some color to my cheeks after all that powder and, you know, concealer. Now that that is done, I'm going to go in with highlighter, and I'm going to use this particular shade that I had used for the inner corner, and I'm going to use my highlighter brush, which is this one. I'm now done with all of that. As you can see, I've highlighted, I've blushed my face. It's coming along pretty well. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to the lips. This is going to be so simple because, as you can see, the eye is quite a lot, so we're not supposed to do the most with the lips. I'm going to take my Daisy's pencil, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to line my lips. Once I've done that, I'm going to take a concealer. I'm going to take my concealer, my fawn concealer, the one I had used previously. This is the one. in the shade Fawn, and this is exactly what I'm going to use as a lip. It works pretty well. I was really surprised. I hope I've not put too much. So you blend them in the way I am doing. I like to use a finger just to blend them together like I'm doing. And once you've done that, you take a gloss. I need to buy a proper gloss, guys, but for the meantime I'm going to use this that I got from my friend. I just took it from her because I really liked the orangey tone. So this is probably just 100 bob. You can find it anywhere, and I'm just going to use it on top of the concealer and the liner. Yeah, and there you have it, guys. This has become my go-to ever since I especially discovered you can use concealer as, you know, lipstick to save on that money when you don't have the shade that you want to use in that time. Works pretty well. I really love the eye look for today. I'm really hoping that you were able to get at least a thing or two and you will be able to do it for yourself. Let me just go and fix my hair, and then I'll just come back right on looking a bit more decent. So guys, this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will get to try it once we are done with all of this and we can finally go outside and, you know, get back to our lives. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope I said that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.